So you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or the Note 20 Ultra, and you have an issue where you have a black screen or the screen won't turn on. However, even though you have a black screen, you know that your phone is still on because maybe you can see LED lights flashing, maybe you can hear it beep, maybe you get a phone call, maybe you can feel it vibrate. Anyway, I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now. And by the end of this video, at least 80% of you guys are going to be up, okay? So first thing is first, let's just pretend that these phones are actually fixed, okay? But let's pretend we have a black screen, okay? So let's just pretend we have a black screen. The first thing you want to do is we want to force it to restart. And how you do that? It's a 2-key combination. What we want to do is we want to press and hold the volume down and the power button. You want to press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until we see the Samsung logo appear. So let's do this together. Volume down, power button. Again, what we're doing is we're forcing it to restart, okay? Volume down, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Continue to hold both buttons. Pretend my screen is black. I have no idea what's going on the screen, just a black screen, but I'm just holding these 2 buttons. I'm going to continue to hold these 2 buttons until we see a Samsung logo appear. I'm still holding, waiting for a Samsung logo to appear. My phone will vibrate, then I'll see the Samsung logo. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, I felt it vibrate. There's the logo. Let go, and there you go. Now, hopefully your black screen is up and running, okay? If not, we're going to go to step number 2. So step number 2, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and plug in your phone and let it charge for about 5 minutes, okay? Let it sit there for 5 minutes. Black screen, just let it sit there for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I want you to come back to the phone. While it is still plugged in, I want you to go ahead and force a restart again, okay? So it's plugged in, it's charging, and the volume down and the power button. Press and hold both buttons. Ready? Well, let me do it this way. Both buttons. Volume down, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Again, let's pretend my screen is totally black. I don't know what's going on. It's still plugged in. It's still charging. I'm holding on both buttons here, waiting for that Samsung logo to appear. Still holding. Where's it at? Still holding. I'm still, okay, finally, there it is. I felt it vibrate. There's the logo. Go ahead and let go. And hopefully you guys are finally up and running. If not, we're going to go to step number 3. Okay, so for step number 3, we're going to go ahead and unplug it now. Now what we're going to do is what I call the tap method. So what I want you to do is start tapping, preferably like 2 fingers, and you want to tap all over the screen and on the back, okay? So we'll do this together. Tap everywhere. Pretend my screen is totally black here. You're just going to go ahead and tap, because what happens is a lot of times you have something that is slightly dislodged, and even like a couple taps here can put it back in place, and you'll never have a screen issue again, or for at least years. Keep on tapping like that. Go ahead and turn it over. Same thing on the back, okay? You got to get on the lens too, okay? All around the lens. Keep tapping. Try to even get on the side. You may have to tap a little bit hard. All over. Now, once you do that, same thing again now. Remember, power button, volume down. We want to go ahead and force restart it again. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until we see that Samsung logo appear. So I'm still holding here. Pretend my screen is still totally black. I'm still holding. Waiting for the Samsung logo to appear. Come on. It's coming. It's coming. There it is. Let go, and hopefully you guys are back up and running. Now, if you're not, we're going to go to the next step. Okay, now the next step here is similar to the tapping, except this one here I call the massage method. All right, because what we're going to do is we're going to have to massage the screen as well as the back of the phone. Okay, so go ahead and you can grab like a paper towel or a towel or a napkin or something like that if you don't want to get your screen like all smudged up and whatnot. It's up to you, okay? Anyway, what you want to do is go ahead and use like 2 thumbs, and we want to hold it back like this, and what you want to do is press kind of firmly, okay? Give it like a nice massage here, right? You want to go all over the top. Give it a little bit of pressure. Keep going in. Sometimes you may even see like lights like flicker, okay? And sometimes it actually even turns on just like this as well, okay? So give it a nice massage. Now turn it over and do the same thing on the back, okay? You gotta press. Give it nice firm pressure, even around all the lens up here. So keep doing that for a while, then turn it back over and do the same thing again. Force restart it now. Remember, power button volume down, press and hold, do not let go until we see the Samsung logo appear. Now, hopefully you guys are up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next step here. Now, the next step here I call the Smac Method. And the reason is because we're going to smack the phone, okay? So what we're going to do is hold our palm out like this, and we're going to smack this all over the screen as well as the back. Also, FYI, guys, I'm not responsible if something happens to your phone, so do everything at your own risk, okay? So we'll start off with the screen here, okay? Hand out, give it a couple smacks. Also, don't forget, you got to get the bottom. And then turn it over and do the back as well. And the back top as well. Now, same thing again. Press and hold both buttons and force it to restart, all right? So if you guys gotten this far from the video, most of you guys are up and running. Now, if you guys are still down, the next method I have for you is this. I want you to go ahead and plug your phone in again, plug it in, let it charge for 10 minutes, okay? After 10 minutes is up, I want you to come back to your phone, unplug it. Now, I want you to go to the freezer, okay? Put this in your refrigerator in the freezer part where it's actually freezing. Put your phone in just like this and leave it there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, come back, grab your phone and do the same thing, force restart it, all right? So if you guys are still down, then what I would suggest is to go through every single step, okay, multiple times. I mean, there's times I tried it like 6, 7, and my 8th time it actually worked. So keep trying. If this video worked for you, let me know which combo, or sometimes it's a combination of methods that will bring you up. Let me know, give me a thumbs up. If this didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should have at least an 85% thumbs up. Good luck, guys.